eBay's been great for me lately. I hope you can say the same. I just sold my homing pigeon for the 11th time. So there's that. Did you know people get to Seller Hub on their phone by going to their web browser, signing in, and it's a mess. You've got to pinch the screen and expand the screen and move it all around. The eBay app actually has Seller Hub built in. eBay just didn't think to show us how to get there. They just didn't think to put on the seller page a little tiny little link that says Seller Hub and shows how to get there. So I'm going to show you. I have a little account I've been playing with here, and the way that you get to Seller Hub is it's a little roundabout, but it's not nearly as bad as going to a web browser and doing all of that. This is a true Seller Hub inside your app. Find the help screen. There are probably multiple ways to get to help screens in your eBay app, but the primary way that I do, I go to My eBay, that's at the very bottom of the screen, and press My eBay, and then scroll up and go to the Help button down there, and we're almost there. I told you it's a little bit weird, but it's not nearly as hard as every other way you've ever seen. Someone was asking me how to do this in our Facebook group. You should join our Facebook group. It's free. We have a lot different interaction there than we have here on YouTube. Some people don't like Facebook and they are on Facebook just for our group. Keep that in mind. It's really worth attending. It's worth joining. So the help screen says, how can we help you today? Well, eBay Seller Hub. You don't need uppercase, lowercase, it doesn't matter. If you type Seller Hub, and actually before you finish typing it usually, see that blue button? That says Seller Hub. If you press that blue button, you will be taken to your selling app's Seller Hub. This is not a web page. This is an actual Seller Hub built into our eBay app. I think it's about the only way that you can get there. I don't think there's a good way to get there. If you know of a better way to get to Seller Hub, let me know what it is. Because there are all sorts of things on our Seller Hub that we want to look at whenever we're out and about. And we're not at a computer and we're not at a screen and we don't want to go to a web browser. This is how you do it. This is really cool.